And we're back to learn CapCut. Let me show you how to create this bounce distortion transition. We've got two clips here. I'll select the first one on the left, go to animation, then combo, and find the bounce one. Just left click on it, and as long as this clip is active in the timeline, you can adjust the duration down here. Don't make it too long. Just use the left hand slider and narrow it down to like 2 seconds, maybe even less. Then select the next clip. Again, animation, go to combo, and here you'll have to scroll a little bit until you can find the distortion right. It's abbreviated here. And again, select this clip and then narrow it down by using the right hand slider for it. I think that even 2 seconds is too long, so I would go down to around 1 second, maybe 1.5, but that'll do. Hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.